I just turned that on. Hey, what's up, y'all? Sean in town here. Let me put this on silence because, man, my phone has been ringing like crazy these days. I want to talk about how you can make between $400 to $500, damn it, a day. Low number, I will say 350. Nobody should be below 350 a day if you're doing gig work full time. I'm telling you, if you're doing gig driving full time, you should be over 350 each day. You should be shooting for $400, and if you hit 500, it's beautiful. It's a blessing. But between $300 to $500, that's where you need to be, which means the medium is $400. So if you make $350, you're below the medium, right? Which is not bad. That's still good because we're talking about $50 for gas for the day, and we're talking about $300 take home if you do 350. Now you do that times 5, you're talking about taking home $1,500 for the week. For the week. Imagine if you make $400 a day, you take away $50, right? We're talking about what? $1,500, $1,600, $1,700 for the week. Easy money if you're doing it full time. Now, here's the thing. What a lot of people lack is, now this is a podcast style. I did say I'm going to start doing some podcast styles. I'm going to drop some names, some app names and company names for you, but I did say I'm going to drop some, podcast style videos, right? If I stumble over my words, bring it back. Remember, I am not AI, all right? So we're going to continue going. So the thing where people lack is people lack strategy. And I've spoken about that on several different occasions. One thing you got to remember is different cities, different areas, different regions, different working of the apps, which means there's some areas it's not going to work the same as different areas. All right. Some people are big on roadie, right? We talk about roadie all the time. I'm just using this as an example. But guess what? We know roadie does not pay well. We know roadie is going to lowball the crap out of you, right? They're going to lowball you. But there's roadie XD. And this is where a lot of people don't really try to figure it out. You got to get on roadie XD, y'all, if you really want to make better money, which means you're going to get routes, and the routes are going to pay well, y'all. Roadie XD pays better than the regular roadie. Now, understand this. For you to get on roadie XD, you're going to need to go up in the upper left corner of the app. When you open up the app, go in the upper left. And what you're going to do is you're going to go down, and I think there's an area that says what you need to know about roadie XD or something like that, or certifications. Get the certifications. You're going to need to get the certifications. You're going to need to get the XD certification. Right? It's going to take probably about a good 8 to 10 minutes to complete the certification. And if you get a question wrong, they're going to give you the chance to do it over again right then and there, so you could get it right, right? So what you need to do is you need to, and it's easy. The test is so easy, y'all. I got probably 90 out of 100. I missed one. All right, but I could have gotten that one, but clumsiness caused me to pretty much got that question wrong. But then there's the if you want to do the prescription deliveries, you got to do the prescription certification, which it takes no time, right? And you get both of those. You could knock out both of those in damn near less than half an hour, right? Now, when you get certified, here's the thing that a lot of people don't talk about. Now, this video is not about roadie. I'm just using examples, right? And I chose to use roadie. So here's what a lot of people don't understand is that even though those prescription, doesn't pay well, you got to pick and choose on roadie, right? Roadie XD, they're going to want you to do some deliveries to build that trust, right? You don't just get out there and start getting deliveries. Well, based on the experience that I have, right? I didn't just start getting deliveries on roadie XD. I had to do some crappy deliveries, right? To get to so they could know that, look, we could trust him. He's going to get the packages there on time. He's going to get the product there on time. He's going to pick up on time, deliver on time. Because one thing you got to know is when you go to these warehouses where the XD is located as far as the pickups, right? You got to be there on time, y'all. They're big on that. You got to be there on time. You got to drop off on time. And they want to know that they could trust you. So you're going to have to build that trust within that algorithm. And that's what a lot of these apps are using these days. Look, it's not just social media that's using algorithms, y'all. It's also these companies and apps, they're using algorithms as well. Believe that. So Roadie is just an example. So what I'm saying here is you got to have a standard plan as to how you're going to pretty much, maintain the day and maintain the flow of revenue that you want to be coming in from those deliveries. For example, in the mornings, there are companies like Courier Express and US Pack and other companies. There are those type of companies that will actually give you early morning routes. We're not talking about 7 a.m. and 8 a.m. We're talking about before those times. We're talking about you get out there and you start around 4 o'clock in the morning. They have those type of routes. Then they have routes where, not just those companies, but other companies. Now you got to look at, okay, the catering apps, they boom in the morning time, up until around 12 midday. Right? So you got to understand that I got to add some catering apps in there if I want to run my portfolio on as a top level business, right? So you got to have those regular companies that you signed up with that's going to give you some morning, it doesn't have to be early morning deliveries, but morning offers, right? You get those, plus you blend those in with the Meals Now and the Red Wagon. We're talking about catering deliveries, right? And throughout the rest of the day, we're talking about you're running another, some other deliveries around with Spark Driver and so forth, right? Because we're talking about routed apps at the same time, right? So you got to mix and match your portfolio. If you don't have an app portfolio right now, look, put together your app portfolio, y'all. You got to have your app portfolio that has your primary companies. These are the companies that's going to give you the best revenue throughout the day, the top revenue. And then you got your secondary companies and then the others after that. Now, the others after that is like regular Roadie. If you're going in a direction, you do a delivery, you're coming back home, you could, jump on Roadie, jump on Freight. If you don't know about Freight, Frayt, Freight Driver, go in your app store, go check it out, right? If you're coming back, you could tell where you could see on their maps on Freight and Roadie and so forth. You could see where that delivery is going, the pickup and the destination point. And this is what you do. You jump on those deliveries, even though they're not going to pay you very, very well. Freight Driver pretty much pays a little bit better than Roadie, right? But Roadie, we all know Roadie is at the bottom of the barrel. But what I'm saying here is, you want to pick up something. If it's going to pay you $17 and you're going into that direction back home and that delivery is going in the same direction, why not? That's your gas money right there. You're able to retain that extra $50, that you'll probably take out for gas, because these other apps, they're pretty much making that money up for you. They're making it back for you. Right? So you got to create that strategy, y'all. And a lot of people are missing strategy. So like I said, you want to sign up with some of these companies that's going to offer you early morning routes. If you don't want to do early morning routes, fine. You want to do mid-morning routes or, on VHO Driver. You want to do mid-morning routes, on DHL. You jump on DHL. People don't even understand that these companies are really hiring for real. And they want drivers, especially going into this last year, this last season, and this year, what we call it, high paying season in the gig industry, and that is fall. Get on these companies, y'all. There's another company out there that's crazy nice. It's called Stallion Express. If you've never heard about Stallion Express, you heard about it here. Jump on those companies. Like I said, during the day, you want your top of the morning apps. You want the bottom of the morning apps. You want your midday apps. You want your daytime companies, your evening companies and apps, and then nighttime if you want to rock and roll in the night. You got to put it together. Put together the plan. There are lots of information out there for you to get it. All right. I want to invite people as well to my gig driver community. Now, look, my gig driver community has been growing fast, y'all. I'm serious. I'm going to show you how much people have been. Look at these people. Look at this. Look at all these people right here that's been joining, this past week. A lot of people have been joining the group. It's called the Gig Money Club. It's on the School app, SKOOL. We do host live virtual meetups in the app, and we talk about strategies, we talk about companies, we talk about apps, we talk about different cities and so forth. People drop information as far as what companies are working for them. People are sharing information. It's not just me, y'all. This is a community of gig drivers all across the country, and we're all sharing information in there. I put up a post that said, which city are you in? Everybody dropping their cities in there, and people are dropping their apps and companies that they're on in those cities as well. So make sure you connect with this group, y'all. These are like-minded people just like you. Why not be around like-minded gig drivers just like you? Join my gig driver community today by clicking the link down in the description below and also at the top of the comment section, y'all. Look, now is the time to make this money. If you think back 6-7 years ago, we didn't have all these opportunities at our fingertips. Think about 6-7 years from now. We don't know if these opportunities are still going to be here. Take advantage of it while it's here.